What's up guys, I'm Will with thewillgrant.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the 1 minute hang challenge. So essentially what the 1 minute hang challenge is you're hanging for a minute or 60 seconds, and if that's all you can do, that's okay. Just work on hanging for that full 60 seconds, and once you're able to do that, start making it as hard as you possibly can. So doing as many pull-ups or dips or even muscle ups if that's possible. So the goal is in that 1 minute to make it as hard as you possibly can. So if you can do a minute of straight muscle ups, that's awesome, that's insane. And or if you can just hang for a minute, start there and then work your way up. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna start my timer for 1 minute, and my goal again is just to make it as hard as I possibly can. And as I'm getting more fatigued, the exercises in the hang are getting easier and easier until eventually I can maybe just hang there. So I'm gonna set my timer on my watch on 1 minute so it lets me know when it's done. And here I go. So that's literally 1 minute of going as hard as I possibly can and just trying to push it and really push my limits on each one of those movements. Whew. That was not easy. So the goal, challenge yourself. You got 1 minute, give it everything you got, and it's really cool to video yourself and watch yourself progress over the months or over the time. Whew. Let me catch my breath real quick. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and think about subscribing, of course. And don't forget to take this video and share it with your friends and make it a group workout to see what you guys can each do during that 1 minute. And of course, if you have not seen my website already, don't forget to check that out at www.thewillgrant.com. Thanks and see you soon.